Hey everybody.
Hey guys. So today we're going to be inspecting and cleaning out our gutters and downspouts, making sure everything is flowing good for all the nasty weather.
This time of year in the fall, the trees can blow their leaves around and just get any sort of debris in your gutters, and so you really want to make sure that you inspect them, you clean all of that debris and stuff out.
Yeah, you don't want any cloggage and stuff like that up in your gutters. Also, after you figure this out and get them all cleaned out and everything, and winter comes around, you'll have that peace of mind that there's nothing stuck in there, because you might also get ice dams and things like that.
Ice dams are where the water that flows through, if there's debris and stuff, it can get stuck, and then if it freezes, it creates a dam, and so then it can back up the water into your house, or actually can weigh it down and bend and break your gutter. It cannot be a good thing. So
yeah, a good way to check for that is where icicles are forming from the runoff. Also, if you do see any areas where your gutter's actually bending down from the weight, that's something that you might want to take care of right away so it doesn't actually break your gutter.
To do this task, you do need a ladder or something that you can get up to your gutters. So you just want to make sure you do, really good ladder safety. Make sure you put a helmet on.
Yeah. No, you just want to make sure to use proper ladder safety. Don't get too high up on the ladder. Make sure it's got steady footing.
Make sure there's somebody home if you're doing that, so just in case.
Yeah, just be safe while you're up there.